Happy Hurricane Preparedness Week. My name is Liz Campbell and I'm the social media specialist for the Harris County Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, and I'm here in our Emergency Operations Center. Part of hurricane preparedness is knowing where you live and what threats your home can face. Are you in an evacuation zone? Do you know your evacuation route? If you answered yes, make sure to practice evacuating with your whole household, including pets, to make sure all members know what to do before an evacuation is called. If you're unsure, visit readyharris.org and check out the Evacuation Zip Zone Map before a hurricane makes its way into the Gulf. Stay tuned this week for more hurricane preparedness tips. And be sure to text Gulf 2021 to 888-777 for notifications throughout this hurricane season.